delivered all the way from Japan. A special day for unboxing a special package. I've made an order from Seido. They are a website that sells Japan-made Budo equipment ranging from dogi, hakama, obi, wooden weapons, yaito, accessories, and clothings. It's a foreigner-friendly website with a lot of Budo-related contents as well. I am not sponsored by Seido, but this is my first time ever purchasing from them. Leave it to the Japanese for their high fidelity in secured packaging. A quick thank you note from Seido and a maintenance tips on my purchase. It's a Shoto. A Shoto is the representation practice sword of the wakizashi. It's a secondary one-handed sword often carried by prestigious samurais. Just like a bokken or bokuto, Shoto is used for practice and to absorb impact. The quality is looking pretty nice. Let's give this Shoto a go. As expected, it feels different when wearing a secondary sword along with the main weapon. Our range of motion is affected as well, so we need to adjust accordingly. Luckily, I learned some tips from the Asayama Ichiden Ryu videos. Let's look at some specs for comparison. At first glance, the Shoto is almost half the size of a Budo or Shoto. This standard Shoto by Seido is made of the Japanese red oak called the wakizashi. You can buy their plastic or leather tsuba separately. They seem to fit from other bokkens. As mentioned, a Shoto is a one-handed weapon and the handle reflects that. So you can imagine the cutting dynamic is different without your left hand acting as a leverage. So a Shoto may require a different motion dynamic when cutting. Because I've never used a shorter sword before, the length and weight throws me off. Need to readjust in accordance to the weight and length of this one-handed sword. It really encourages you to be mindful of your tenouchi. Perhaps I can create a warm-up session and the benefits of training with a Shoto. Shoto doesn't come with a groove like the bokken. Without a groove, the Shoto weighs at 250 grams. Unfortunately, I don't see shops that sell Shoto with its own saya. This one barely even fits in the saya. It's not noticeable, but Shoto's blade curve is a bit more prominent than the bokken. Thickness comparison, metal blades is generally thinner for cutting reasons, whereas wooden weapons are thicker to match the handle for tenouchi, and thicker blades to practice impact with. Overall, I like that the quality and the finishing of the Shoto by Seido and their services. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in their range of products. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with them, but maybe one can hope one day. Thanks for watching this far. If you haven't already, please do do like and subscribe, and give that bell a ding. Do share to your fellow Iaidokas or anyone who loves martial arts. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.